So this is this version 2. Kind of made it a little more gravity fed instead of having it all dangled. Just connects to this wire here. Sorry, hose. Let the gravity feed it. Some air diverters, custom. Might not be able to see, but they're in there. So I did a thing, trying to make a custom intercooler, something like this. Custom Hobo, of course. So it'll mount something like this. You know what I mean? Heat tempt, ceramic coated, some intercooler parts that I'm working on, a custom intercooler. As I preheat the oven, just wanted to preview my custom intercooler that I'm working on. So you can have something like this. And you can see the different edges, because I masked it, how much of a layer of protection you'll get. So 60 core, I think it's 62 millimeters. This took a little time, but this is going to work great for a little $10 upgrade. Altogether, this AirTech type intercooler that I'm making, it's going to run me not even 200 bucks. A little closer look at how I'm going to mount the vent. So I just got done coating it, cover up some ugly scuffs and bad masking. It'll lay down something like this, but I have a secret of what I'm going to line underneath this with so it adheres to it, so that it doesn't necessarily I have to bolt or screw these down. I might screw into the tanks, but yeah, then I might not. But I'm going to find a way to secure this to this. It's pretty form-fitting, and as you can see how it'll line up. The vents line up with every chamber, so it'll be very effective at cooling, and I can keep the temps down as much as possible. They're just about as gapped as you can see. Those are all the air holes that you see through the radiator. See? You can see when it's off of it, and you can see when it's on it. See? So this little ingenuity. I was also thinking of ways I could mount it for the best air efficiency. The air flowing through this way and straight into the chambers, or a bit more of a this way kind of thing. I like this way better. It looks more uniform. It looks more like an intercooler. Wow, this, on the other hand, looks, you know, kind of janky. But it could, like, form over function, I guess they say. Function over form, in this case. It's a little hard to line it up underneath. But I think it could possibly be better this way. Maybe, just maybe. So, I think this way could work just as fine though. Like, it creates air chambers that just can flow. And if the air is being sucked down, you know, it's like an air ram. You're trying to ram air. The whole objective is to ram air as much as possible, or at least vent it as much as possible. Fresh air flowing in, you know? Fresh air could flow through here very well in this direction. I bent the fins as much as I could. So I think I might mount it this way, I'm not sure, but I really do prefer this way. Looks better, but I'm not necessarily going for look. I'm going for function. So So it's set to 200 because it has to be temped. So from 200 to 400 to 600 after 30 minutes.